Noodling around. Using a single piece of uncooked spaghetti held in their mouth, the contestant must lift a total of 6 penny pasta. If the spaghetti breaks, the player must begin anew. Failure to complete this challenge in 60 seconds may result in elimination.
Hey, Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping?
We've been indoors a lot this year. I mean a lot. So why not take advantage of the time and decorate our room? Fivebelow have some great deals that can change your room into a whole different space. Let's see.
Some tags, only got $20 in my pocket.
So there's a lot of research out there that says if you add greenery to your space, especially plants, it can create a more calming space for you. So even though these are fake, they are very decorative and very cute, and just adding some greenery to your space can just make you feel outside and bring nature inside your bedroom. And I don't know, I really love them. At Fivebelow, you're going to find some great storage options. So if you don't have anything to place, I don't know, your makeup, your gadgets and gadgets, your technology, this is a great option that will add a little bit of pizzazz. And also it'll just make your space look a lot neater and less cluttered.
Look at these colorful laundry baskets, only for $5. And another storage option will be wall shelves, and they come in different sizes, small and large. Pillows can be very expensive, but not at Fivebelow. Pillows are only $5 and they come in different colors, different sizes. And if you really want that nice hotel comfy bed look, this is the way to go. Get a rug. They have rectangular rugs, they have round rugs, and put it next to your bed so you can step on when you wake up in the morning, or put it at the entrance of your room. And they have different colors. They have the pattern rugs, neutral colored, whatever you want.
Whoa.
Wall decor, you cannot forget about your wall. They have photo frames. They even have mirror decor to put on bedroom mirror or bathroom mirror. Now lighting. Lighting is important. They have cool glitter lamps. They have lamps that can go by your bed. And these lights, you can hang them from your curtain rod and let your curtains glow.
Say you're having a bad day, you can change the mood of your room by just changing your light bulb. This is an LED bulb and it is controlled by a remote, and Just the lights turning from green, yellow, blue can help you to calm down. Behind your television. And then also you can put it behind your bed frame, and it's also come with a remote controller.
I hope my tour at Fivebelow was very helpful. Happy decorating!
Fishing poles, grill it in. Work, hold on. It's me and my friends. Go, bud. Work, you know what I'm saying? Walk in, walk out, let's go. Work. Hey, walk it out, walk it out. Work, cha-cha, cha-cha. Work,
Hey guys, today we will be talking about 5 interview tips and job interview questions that you should ask. Tip number 1, don't be late. First impressions always matter. Even if it isn't your fault, your potential employer is not okay with tardiness. It gives the impression that you aren't reliable and that you do not value others' time. So make sure that you guys are on time. Tip number 2 is to dress up. Not necessarily dress up, but business casual attire. We get it. A lot of you guys don't want to come off too stuffy or overdressed in a job interview, but your appearance always play a part in you getting your job. Look at the pictures that I will attach for reference of what business casual attire can look like. Tip number 3 is to prepare. A hiring manager can tell when you're prepared for the interview. You are able to answer the questions and come off more confident. And that shows that you're hireable by preparing ahead of time. So do a little research on the company that you're applying for. Tip number 4 is to watch your body language. Everyone gets nervous in job interviews, and the key is to not show that you're anxious. Do you have nervous tics like rubbing your arm or jiggling your foot or fidgeting with the pen or with your fingers? Notice these behaviors so you don't drive your interviewer crazy. And lastly, tip number 5, mind your manners. Manners seem like common sense, but interviewers still report a lot of weird behaviors from teen interviewees, which is normal. So make sure that you do things like keeping your phone off, keeping it off the table, or just putting it in your pocket for the whole interview. Make sure you give a firm handshake. Make sure you use proper language and that you are not accidentally swearing. And just be casual. Address your interviewer as Mr. or Mrs. unless they tell you otherwise. This is a two-way conversation street when it comes to an interview. So wait for natural pauses so that way your interviewer can ask more questions to get to know you. Next, I'm going to give you a couple questions that might get asked. Question number 1 could be, tell me a little bit about yourself. This question is tricky because they aren't asking about pets or hobbies. Employers ask this question to get a level of view of your interest, skills, and experience. A second question that can get asked could be, why do you want to work for us? Even if your real answer might be, because I need the money, this is a chance to explain why you're good for the job or why you're a good fit for this particular job. Question number 3 could be, what extracurricular activities do you participate in? Now is when you get to talk about your hobbies and your clubs of interest. Only choose no more than about 3 activities to talk about. Question number 4 could be, why should I hire you? This is the interviewer asking why you are the best choice out for the applicant. It's a hard question to answer, but it's your chance to sell yourself and make a great impression. The last question could be, what's your biggest weakness? That's just asking for a weird TMI moment with your interviewer, to be honest. So what this means is the job interview question is actually asking, how can they address your weakness in the workplace? Everybody has a weakness, so please, please, please do not say, I don't have a weakness. I hope these tips and these questions helped. Come back next time for more cool activities in the Teen Corner. See you guys then.